How to download OnStream app on Android TV. First of all, power on your Android TV and connect it to Wi-Fi. Then go to Google Play Store from the home screen. Search for downloader and install it on your TV. Then go to Settings, Securities and Restriction Options. You will find Install Unknown Apps. Allow permission for downloader app. Then launch the downloader app from your app list. Type the OnStream APK address in the URL box or just simply type its name and press go. Wait for OnStream APK file to finish downloading. Then click install and wait a few seconds for installation to complete. Go to your apps and launch OnStream on your Android TV. Then browse movies and shows and start streaming. Thank you for watching.